Hi guys, today I am so excited to show you PowerShell GPT. It's 2025, the future is here. PowerShell GPT is a Windows application that integrates ChatGPT with PowerShell. It allows you to speak to ChatGPT just like you would speak to Alexa or Siri. You start by submitting this prompt that tells the model how to interact with the app. You can save any prompts you use frequently and then use them just by selecting the one you want to use out of this list. The app can detect when ChatGPT wants to execute PowerShell commands. When it detects this, it will ask you whether you want to allow or deny access. You can select this checkbox down here if you want to grant permanent access. For now, we'll just click Allow. You'll see that the command gets sent to PowerShell. PowerShell executes the command, and its response is sent back to ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT responds, and so on. It's like they can have a conversation. It can go on a bit of a ramble sometimes, so it's good to have the ability to prevent the commands it generates being executed. This next prompt can now make ChatGPT do something that is absolutely amazing. The prompt says, using shell tags, create a Python file named webcam, the contents of which will be Python code that creates a webcam viewer for the default webcam. There will be no mistakes in the code. Output the code only inside a code block using shell tags. Do not forget the shell tags. Now, when I submit this prompt to ChatGPT, you will see something that I had never seen before making this app. I've never seen someone speak to their PC and get it to generate and execute the code. You can see ChatGPT is now generating the PowerShell command to create a file named webcam. I'm going to click Allow. If everything goes okay, the file named webcam should appear in the folder. Here's the file named webcam that it created. Let's tell it to run it. I've got a saved prompt here. It just saves you retyping frequently used prompts. Let's see what happens. There's the command ChatGPT generated to run the Python code. Let's click Allow. I think that is absolutely awesome. The download link is in the description. Please don't use this for any nefarious purposes, guys. I'm going to do more videos demonstrating what it can do. So stay tuned. Any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. As always, have fun and stay safe.